In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seller information on Facebook Marketplace using the best method. If you're new to Facebook Marketplace or just looking to enhance your selling strategy, these steps will guide you through the process. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account, then head to the Facebook homepage. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a list of menu options. Scroll down until you See More. Click on that to reveal additional options within the menu. Next, click on Marketplace. This section of Facebook is your hub for buying and selling within your community. Once in the Marketplace, navigate to the Selling tab located on the left-hand menu. This is where you manage your sales, view listings, and add new items to sell. Now, click on Create New Listing. You'll see options appear to choose the type of listing you want to create. An item for sale, a vehicle for sale, or a home for rent or sale. Select the type that suits your needs. This brings us to a crucial part of the process, your seller information. Make sure your information here is accurate and complete to build trust with potential buyers. You'll begin by adding photos of the item you're selling. Make sure these are clear and well lit to give viewers the best view of what you are offering. Following the photos, you'll need to type in a title. Be succinct yet descriptive enough to attract interest. Next, set your price. Remember, pricing competitively can help in making a quick sale. You'll then choose a category for the item, which helps in making your listing more searchable. After that, select the condition of your item, such as new, used, like new, or used, fair. Additionally, providing an honest and detailed description is vital to ensure potential buyers fully understand what you're offering. Make sure to include any notable features or faults. Further detailing your item, you can type in the brand name if applicable, along with product tags which will enhance the searchability of your listing. Tags should be relevant to what you're selling. Once all this information is filled out, click on Next. This will advance you to the final steps where you can further verify your listing details. As a final step, click on Publish to make your listing go live on the marketplace. If you'd like to expand your reach, consider sharing your listing to various groups you're a part of on Facebook. Congratulations, you're done. Your item is now listed on Facebook Marketplace, ready to be viewed by potential buyers. Following these straightforward steps ensures your listing is appealing and informative, increasing your chances of making a successful sale. Thank you for watching and happy selling.